Tepa, ano?
Isa pa?
Alam na muna siya. May isa ka pa?
Hindi ka. F-A.
Tama na yan, Tisha.
Ikaw na. Yan na, tapos...
Nag-ios.
Mag-iosin mo na. Sige, ikaw muna. Batiin mo si Ate Pinkay.
Hello. Ina lang. Hello. God bless. Okay, take your time tapos susunod. Siya na siguro yung last song na. Tapos, don't forget to watch later Simple Melody.
Yeah, no.
Ang ating midweek performance. Together with Maui.
Kuya. Ito na lang, Tisha. Mauubusan yun.
You don't have to be afraid of what you are.
Yeah, no. Bawal yata sa'yo yan eh.
There's an answer if you reach into your soul.
Patayin mo muna sa main, Sharon.
So that you know I'm on the way.
Tisha, takbo mo sa main.
And then a hero goes along with a strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside.
Busin mo na.
And you know you can survive. So when you feel like home is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies.
Ako?
It's a long road.
Sayawan na lang kita.
When you face the world alone,
Yeah, daw in the light.
reach yourself a hands for you.
Hindi ko na kaya yun eh. Kaya mo yun.
You can find love if you search within yourself, and the emptiness you feel will disappear. And then a hero comes along with a strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like home is gone, look inside you and make strong, and you'll finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. Oh, Lord knows it's so hard to follow, but don't let anyone turn them away. Hold on, there will be tomorrows. In time, we'll find a way. And then our hero goes along with a strength to carry on, and it has to be aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like home is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. That a hero lies in you.
Ang naka-ano?
That a hero lies in you.
Iyak ka na naman sa ano. Huwag mo na idama yung jokes ha.
Thank you so much, and down to our last song.
Piano in the
Miss
door.
Nana. Yan ang in the dark.
Dalawa tayo?
Oh.
Parang kaya yun. Alam mo yun.
Just heard that the Lord heard on the sea is not useful for earth on the sea. Ang lutati ng sea. Ano, hindi nga po sila yun kasi madami kang
Hindi ako yung
You're wonderful self.
Ah, really?
You're talented one.
Kaya tempura, ang sarap ng tempura. Pwede pintura pala, kala ko tempura. Ayan, shoutout po ako sa
Power at tama. Bobo ka na. Walang kwenta. Woo!
kaya
Sa puso, Mau!
Ayan, shoutout ako sa table number 1. When I find myself watching the time,
Woo!
I never think about all the funny things you say. Life is dead. Where is the need now? Turn around the skill of the moon. Knowing this is where I'm gonna make one move. Feeling longer, I'm feeling stronger. Just as I'm I can feel your emotion. Yeah, it's pulling me back,
Bye-bye, ingat!
back to love you. Oh, love, caught up in the middle like cry, just a little, nothing I'm letting go. Oh, love, give up on the middle like cry, just a little.
Boss, may kakash out ako.
In the dark.
Ha? Yung binigay kanina sa Gcash. Bibigay ko kay mami yung kanya.
Plays a melody, won't deter me. The silence is broken, no words are spoken. Just as I walk through the door, I can feel your emotion. Yeah,
Sakit ng ulo ko.
it's pulling me back to love you. I'm not caught up in the middle of right, just a little, nothing I'm letting go. Oh no, give up on a real life, right, just a little, when he plays piano in the dark.
Ganda ng
Alam mo,
falsetto
I
mo
learned
eh.
that. All things
Ganda ng falsetto mo. Maniwala ka sa
learn
akin.
them down foundation first.
Ako sa pagkakay sa mic jack, nahirapan ako.
The word is spoken out,
Alam mo,
just as I walk through the door, I can feel your emotion. Yeah, it's pulling me back to love you. I know, get up on a real life run, just a little, but I think I'm letting go. Oh no, get up on a real life run, just a little, ooh, I cry. Oh no, caught up in the middle and cry, just a little, I think I'm letting go. Oh no, give up on the real piano.
Islam. Komando. Pag-aalala mo. Ay, ang civic ko.
Ay, tapos na po pala. Yan, isa pa tayong pagtanong. Tignan natin kung kaya natin yung mga tanong ni Apple Bricks. Kaya na Apple Bricks, Apple Bricks.
Kasama mo sila mamaya. Vlog mo na.
Ako nga pala, later pala, Apple Bricks. Si Romeo. Yan.